Have you ever second-guessed yourself so much that you talked yourself out of doing something that you know you were more than capable of doing? Don't worry. You're not alone. The truth is, confidence is not something that you're born with. Confidence is something that you build. Today, I'm going to give you some practical steps that can help you start to believe in yourself and grow that unshakable confidence. So first, you have to understand, confidence does not equal being loud or being fearless. Confidence is trusting yourself even when things are uncertain, when the outcome is uncertain, having the confidence and the belief in yourself to still proceed. The key point to confidence is not knowing whether you will fail, is knowing that even if you do fail, it's okay. So the second thing is learning to reframe your mind and reframe self-doubt. We all have those common negative thoughts that pop in our head. You don't know what you're doing. You should have started this earlier. Someone's going to do it better. You're not going to be that good at it. The mind can think of a whole bunch of those. But the key is to catch yourself when those start. It's normal for those type of thoughts to try to creep in. You have to stop it. You have to make that your normal. So you have to replace those thoughts with positive things. I can learn to do this. I'm a competent person. This is something that my heart really wants to do. I believe that I have what it takes to accomplish this. I'm improving. So your bullet mantra for this is that confidence starts with how you speak to yourself, which leads into the third step, which is learning to build confidence through small wins. Don't go in just wanting that big outcome, because that's going to take time. You need to start with the little challenges. An easy thing to do is the next meeting you have, or the next class discussion you have, or the next church service, or whatever, and you have something that you want to say, but you're timid to say it, speak up. That takes confidence to speak your mind and not worry about what others may think or whether it's going to sound stupid. No, that's not confidence. Confidence is knowing that what I say, it has a purpose. It's a good question. It's a good point. Have confidence. So doing those little things like that, setting yourself up for small challenges to help you build to the confidence that you need, because those small steps stack up. And every one of those steps tells your brain that you are moving forward, that you are becoming more confident, and that you trust yourself. The fourth thing is to just take action. Do it before you feel you're ready. Confidence is not built through action. Confidence is built before the action. So just push yourself out there. It's just like jumping into a cold pool. If you can swim. I mean, if you can't swim, jump in a shallow end. Just get in there. You don't need confidence to start doing something that you want. Doing something that you want will help you build that confidence. The fifth thing is that you need to start surrounding yourself with confidence builders. People who are positive, people who are going for their dreams, someone to mentor you, someone to look up to. And it doesn't always have to be someone directly in your life, because for me, I don't have a lot of interaction with a lot of outside people, but I'll find a lot of inspiration from videos and people that I see on TikTok and YouTube and Facebook. Like, I find confidence in those type of people. I get encouragement and inspiration from those type of people, and some people in my life too. My sisters, awesome people, strong women. Like, I find inspiration in that. So surrounding yourself with people who are positive, and also limiting your interaction with negative Nancys. People who kind of like to stay stuck in the whiny part of things, the self-doubt. Now, if you have someone like that, maybe you can encourage them, hey, let's both start trying to be more confident. Let's both start trying to be more positive. But if you see that they're still kind of stuck in that, you may have to limit your interaction with them, because even some people don't want to grow. But if you want to grow and you're around someone who isn't wanting to grow, not only could that keep you stagnant or make it harder for you, they could start trying to pull you back. So for your own sake, Try to surround yourself with people who are positive and who are confidence builders. The sixth thing is you want to practice self-care, because sometimes we hear people say, well, I don't care what anyone thinks of me. But it's not about what other people think of you. It's about what you think of you. You should be wanting to look your best for you. You shouldn't want to just grab anything off the floor, off the chair, whatever, and just throw it on. You want to take time to, what would make me feel beautiful today? What would make me feel confident today? What would make me feel put together today? What would give me that positive lift today? You're doing it for you. If other people like it, great. But the main person is supposed to be you. You know, taking care of your hair and your nails, physical movement, exercise, all of that is for you. You don't have to work out to bulk up or anything like that. Your heart is a muscle. The muscle needs to be worked. That's showing love for yourself. And every time you do those things, it builds more confidence in you. So having self-care is a great confidence building tool. Another thing is for your mindset, journaling. I've said this in so many of my videos. I've been journaling a little over a year, and when I tell you journaling is such a great thing, it just helps you mind dump on something, whether it be positive, negative. Sometimes if something is negatively gnawing at me, sometimes writing it out in the journal helps me just relieve it out of me. Writing down my inspirations of things that I'm working on, things that I recently achieved, all those types of things are just great for the mind. It's kind of like self-therapy, and I so encourage it. I wish I had started it sooner. Meditation, affirmations, things like that are really good for your mindset, because you need to, mental health, as we know nowadays, is very, very important. Because confidence isn't just a mindset. Confidence is how you feel about yourself overall. Your mind, your body, and your spirit. So you need to tend to everything, and all of that together will help build your self-confidence. And the seventh, and one of the most important things, is give yourself permission to fail. Because unfortunately, everything isn't always going to pan out. Usually for everyone. Everyone has something that they've wanted to do, they tried to do, they failed at. A confident person understands that that's always a possibility. But the experience that you gained, that can't be taken away. So when you've been learning or trying to do something, you've picked up expertise on it. You may even know where something went wrong and you can try it over again. But even if you don't, you still gain that knowledge from the whole experience. And that's something that will help build your confidence. That's more information that you have now than when you were starting. So you have to understand that even if you fail, you're not starting from scratch. You have so much more new knowledge that you have no reason to not be more confident in yourself. So please remember that confidence is not perfection. It's about trust. Trusting yourself to be able to handle whatever comes. I hope this video helps you. If you like it, make sure to hit that like button. Comment something below that you're going to do to start taking that step to building your confidence. And if you have something where, because some of us, like I say, you're not born with confidence. Some of us, I remember when I was younger, I had very low self-esteem. I didn't have confidence in myself. I used to walk looking down a lot. One of the things someone told me when I was like in the 7th or 8th grade, a guy that I had a crush on, but he only saw me as a friend. He told me, you never look at me in the eye when you talk. Like, you should start looking people in the eye when you talk to them. And from that day, I started making a conscious effort to look people in their eyes when I talk to them. And it helped because I noticed people are looking at me when they're talking to me. Like, they're interested in what I have to say. Before, when I was looking down, I didn't know because I wasn't looking at them. Just little things like that. So if you have something that you experienced that helped you build confidence, make sure to share it in the comments. Some real life confidence building tips as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. And thank you for watching.